Meka bajeje vielo Toboli Meka bajeje vielo Toboli Mega ble anyeji Toboli Mega nyo anyeji Toboli Mega favile zamenamo Mega favile zamenamo Dale na hokwe la siyo na blo Define lo Toboli.
Welcome back to the channel, and if it's your first time here, you are so welcome. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Guess what, guys, we are still in the beautiful city of Atakpame, and today I'm going to be showing you guys what $2 can get you in Atakpame in terms of food. Yeah, so today with $2 we are going to prepare Ademe and Akume. Like, this is consumed in every household here in Togo because it's very affordable. Ademe is like everywhere, and with just 100 francs you can get Ademe, and with about 500 francs you can get fish, 200 francs you can get corn flour, and you are good to go. Yeah, so this is how affordable it is to live over here. Life here is very simple. The weather is amazing. We live on top of the mountain and I can feel the breeze. Everything here is just awesome, and I'm having a wonderful time over here. You guys, let's get into the video. So this is how it's done. You know, you just go ahead and take out the leaves that are bad or the leaves that are rotten already, just the way she's doing, and you take out the stalk, because some of them are like hard, like the tips, they are usually very hard. So you take it off just like this, and right here, this is what we've been fixing so far. And yeah, it's looking so fresh, and we've been keeping this at home for about 3 days, and it's still very fresh, meaning it was not cultivated with fertilizers at all. Yeah, so let's continue with the making of our ademe soup. So these are the spices we are going to use for our ademe. We have some black pepper, rosemary, we have red pepper and onion. Yeah, so we are going to prepare the spices right now, and we will take it to the grinding stone, and later we can continue with our video. We are using smoked fish for our ademe. This is it right here. And c'est salmon ici. Akpala. Yeah, so we are using akpala. There is salmon and there is akpala. This one is akpala. That's how they call it here in Togo. I don't know the name in English though. Yeah, to boil our fish, we are going to add in water here. We have to clean our fish before adding it into the pot of water, just like this. So we are going to start with the grinding of our spices. We have some red pepper here, some onion and ginger and garlic. Yeah. So this is the local blender they use here in the village, and it's very efficient. Here in the village you don't need a blender. This is our local blender, and it grinds so well. You guys, it's been how many seconds and you see that everything is almost crushed. This is really amazing, guys. Yeah, the only issue is be careful don't let the pepper touch your hands because it burns like wildfire. Yeah, so your palms can touch the pepper but not your skin because it burns. This is the green pepper we are adding in our ademe as well. It's looking so green. And the blended pepper goes in here. Just like that. It's a very simple recipe.
Poisson, c'est un poisson
Fermenté.
C'est fermenté que je vais dire ça. On appelle l'armée. On met dans la sauce à la place du cube. Tu peux utiliser ça.
On met ça à la place du cube. Ok. C'est très bon.
On met ça à la place du cube.
So the fish we just added is used in the place of Maggi cubes. It's actually fermented fish and it gives like a very nice odor to the ademe. And you know, when you are cooking ademe and you add this fermented fish, the smell is on another level. It's so good. And grandma just said it's used in the place of Maggi cubes, which is so nice. Now our ademe broth has been boiling for a while. On va ajouter quoi maintenant?
Non, je vais mettre ça par terre parce que la sauce ademe là, c'est fait déjà.
Ah, donc on va faire ademe après et on va lancer dedans.
On peut pas séparer.
Ok.
Moi aussi.
Oui, comme moi je prépare directement.
Moi je peux pas séparer.
Ok. C'est très bon. Now we are going to clean our ademe. These leaves are very healthy. In case you come across these jute leaves, eat a lot of them and thank me later. They are very good for your health. Yeah, especially for children as well. They are very healthy. Tu laves ça avec sel. Yeah, you can also wash it with salt to get rid of bacteria. So we are adding salt into the ademe just to get rid of bacteria, you know. Like if there were any microbes inside, they would die automatically. Yeah. So she's taking out the soup and we are going to prepare the ademe separately. This is the real village lifestyle. You remember how I usually prepare the okra with the limestone? She's going to add in limestone here. Yeah. So we are adding in limestone into the ademe. This is to break down the ademe completely, and we are going to add in the ademe into the pot, just like this. Yeah. So this is what our ademe is looking like. We are still boiling it though. So we are adding in some red oil and you all will see the magic. This is traditionally made in Atakpame. Ça va préparer encore.
On va couvrir ça un peu avant de taper.
Okay. So the limestone makes it very smoky and nice. C'est pas forcément de verser toute la sauce.
La sauce est trop, c'est beaucoup.
So right now we are going to add in the boiled fish, the one we did before, and our ademe is almost ready. Oh, I told you. Même condiment, tu n'as pas encore ajouté.
Les condiments là, on ne met pas beaucoup, c'est un peu seulement.
Okay. Some onion and pepper just to improve the smell. And we are done. Déjà bon. Now it's time to prepare some nice akume and accompany it with this. Now it's time to make our akume, and we are adding more charcoal so that it cooks well. So it's time to make our akume, and we are adding in some water into the pot. And yeah, let's see how it goes. Ok.
Quand l'eau bout en même temps, on ne met pas, on ne verse pas
farine de maïs en même
en même temps.
Et on doit...
Ça va, comment tu vas?
Okay guys, we are about to make our akume, and you all will notice that in Togo, they consume a lot of corn. Like what they eat here rotates around corn a lot. And you see they eat like the jenkume, the akume, the imakume, like everything is made from corn, and it's really nice. It gives a lot of energy. And in Togo, I would say a regular household cannot go 2 days without eating akume. Some household, like you have to prepare akume every single day. Like if you don't eat akume in Togo, it's like you're not eating good food. You get? Children like akume a lot, especially with the jute leaves. Yeah, they like it a lot. So this is the process of making our akume. Right now we are boiling water, and later we'll add in some corn flour, and we'll make our akume or banku, the way they call it in Ghana. And in Cameroon we call it fufu. So they have different ways of calling it. And the French people in Cameroon, they call it couscous. They call it couscous. Yeah, so right now we are going to add in some flour in the water and add it here, so that when we add the corn flour, it won't make like balls, it won't coagulate. Just like this, you add in the paste into the hot water, and you do this. Yeah, our banku is almost ready. Our akume is almost ready. Sorry guys, our paste is boiling. And now we are going to take some out, and we are ready to make our akume. Yeah, just like this. Yeah. It's very similar to the jenkume that we made, the way you stir. Yeah. Yeah. C'est comme pour la marmite. C'est dur. Elle va ajouter encore. On va encore ajouter l'autre là. Donc farine peut rentrer encore. It takes a lot of energy to stir. If you are not strong enough, you can't do it. Chez nous, pour nous, bâton là qu'on prend pour tirer, c'est un peu grand. Donc, see. It's looking all put together. Yeah. Can you see this? This is so beautiful. See, she's using this calabash to scrape the akume from the stick. That's interesting. Yeah, and we are almost ready. The akume is quite hard. We are adding in more more paste, and we are going to let this cook. On va préparer ça un peu, non? On va mélanger en même temps. Okay, so we are going to stir this until the mixture is uniform, and we'll let it cook for about 5 minutes again before scooping it out. So after cooking this for about 10 more minutes, our akume is finally ready, and we are going to dish this out. Yeah, it's looking so smooth. So this is what we are using to scoop out our akume. It's made from calabash. Yeah, egusi calabash, I think. So we are ready to give Akume and Ademe a try, and we are taking it out. This is what it looks like. You guys, you all are invited. Come and share a meal with us. We are about to give it a try. I'm tiring grandma out, you guys. May God bless this meal for us. In Jesus' name.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it a try.
You want to cook for me, Mama?
Oui. No. Okay, for goûter. This is doux. This one is traditional. C'est très bon, n'est-ce pas?
C'est délicieux.
Très bon. This meal is so good. It's so nourishing.
Akume avec Ademe d'ici.
Very good for your health. Can you see what a bite looks like? Traditionally made in Atakpame. No chemicals, nothing. Just good food. Ok, va dulu. If you enjoyed the video, thank you so much. Please make sure you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. This is how we make Akume and Ademe in Atakpame, and it's so good. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye. Yeah.